These cities still stand today, but in the next 20 to 30 years, they may exist only in history books. The sea is slowly creeping toward the heart of these cities. Are you ready to see what the future holds? Miami, New York, these are not just names on a map. The streets are gradually disappearing under rising water. Cars float aimlessly. People stand on rooftops calling for help. Even the subway stations are flooding, leaving no safe paths. The fear in their eyes reflects the relentless advance of the water. How will these cities look in 20 years? The results are alarming. Empty water reservoirs, submerged buildings, and silent streets. Boats navigate the flooded avenues. Drones capture the city from above, revealing a world transformed. Rooftops are now islands of survival, and the sky above is heavy with smoke. This could be our reality if no action is taken. The seawater doesn't stop at the streets. It has infiltrated the very foundations of buildings. Concrete is cracking, sidewalks eroding. Collapsed walls show the destructive power of relentless flooding. People anxiously observe from balconies while rescue boats try to reach them. The city is slowly being consumed before our eyes. Lives, property, and futures are all at stake. The rising water surrounds abandoned streets, creating a grim landscape. Families cling to rooftops, waiting for help. Children watch helplessly as debris floats past. Stranded cars and shattered streets create an almost apocalyptic scene. Alongside humans, wildlife struggles to survive. Birds fly overhead while ducks and pets navigate the flooded streets. Trees and vegetation are partially submerged. The destruction of nature mirrors the devastation of human life. Everything, people and wildlife alike, faces uncertainty in this new reality. The time is now. If we fail to act, these cities may vanish from our planet forever. People stand on rooftops, water all around, silence everywhere. Will humanity wake up before it's too late? Future Jenner.